So welcome back to my channel, Lexi here. So, obviously you can know it is beautiful lighting. As you can see, lights up there. My room when I'm recording my videos are like that. I have this light now. So anyways, this video is going to be about slime video. I'm going to be making a venom machine slime. But I don't have the stuff right now, but I'm going to. I'm going to show you how it works and how I built it. But not yet because I don't have things. So this video is about showing my 3 slimes that are in here. I don't have time to show all of them because I don't have time for that. I just don't. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot. If you guys like slime, thumbs up this video. If you love slime and want to make it, then subscribe to me because I'm going to be making some slime in my channel. So let's get started. Okay, so here's my slime in this container and this KFC bucket that I only have. I don't really go there. This is one of my slimes. It's this... how do you say it? It's a glittery yellow one that doesn't work. It's not that stretchy. It's not fun. It's old. It just doesn't work. It doesn't mold into the shape you want it to. It's just old and ugly. You can't even... ignore that. You can't even do the... only a little bit, but not like a lot. Like... whatever. Boo for this one. My next one is this one. So my next one, it's really small, not much, but whatever. It's still stretchy. Smells good. That one smells bad, the one that I just showed you. So it's very stretchy, as you can see. It's very stretchy. It smells really good because I used Tide laundry Tide detergent. And this one has a little bit of the sparkles things, glitter, I guess what it's called. I don't use glitter a lot. Like, I only add like this to my slimes, so as you can see. And some do have, like, as you can see, those are focus. You know what? Doesn't want you have focus, but has glitter. This one you can like let's go on to my next one. Okay, this is my next one. It's very, not that stretchy, but yeah. Smells good, and it's the color blue. I love this one so much that I like to play it. You can do the little things. Okay, you guys, this is all for today's video. If you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye. Behind the scenes in the bucket. Look at it. My favorite. My worst one. And my second favorite. Anyways, yeah. Look at this slime. I hate this one so much it doesn't even stick. Look. But when I put this one, I hate this one so much. But yeah, slime. Look. I hate this one so much. And ending the behind the scenes.